Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that many of us rely on in those busy moments when washing our hair just isn't an option: dry shampoo. Today, I'm looking closely at the Monday Hair Care Original Dry Shampoo with Keratin, designed to freshen hair and absorb excess oil for all hair types. This product comes in a 200ml spray bottle and promises to refresh your hair without water, thanks to its oil-absorbing formula. It features keratin, which is known for strengthening and protecting hair strands. Plus, it's free from SLES and benzene, making it a gentler choice for your scalp. Dermatologically tested, it aims to be safe for regular use across all hair textures. In my experience, incorporating this dry shampoo was straightforward. The spray nozzle delivers a fine mist that evenly coats the roots without leaving that dreaded white residue, which is a common issue with some dry shampoos. On first application, it felt lightweight and didn't weigh my hair down or make it stiff. I tested it on a few different days, after workouts, long work days, and even on second day hair, and it consistently absorbed oil well, leaving a fresh scent that wasn't overpowering. One thing I really liked is that the keratin ingredient seemed to add a subtle softness and shine after brushing through. Sometimes dry shampoos can leave hair feeling dry or chalky, but this one didn't. On the flip side, for those with very fine or light hair, a slightly more thorough blending might be needed to avoid any minimal residue, especially if you apply too close to the scalp. Here's a quick rundown. It sprays evenly, absorbs oil effectively, and feels gentle on the scalp thanks to its clean formula. The 0% SLES and benzene is a big plus if you're careful about harsh chemicals. However, while the bottle is compact, the spray mechanism could be improved for more precise control. Regarding value, Monday Hair Care's dry shampoo sits at a mid-range price point. Given the inclusion of keratin and the chemical-free promise, it feels justified if you're after a product that balances performance and scalp care. If you're budget conscious, there are cheaper options that absorb oil effectively, but often lack the protective ingredients and might not be as gentle. Compared to some other dry shampoos I've tried, this one stands out for its thoughtful formula, focusing on hair health rather than just quick fixes. Some competitors can leave your scalp feeling irritated or hair feeling brittle over time, which is less likely here due to the dermatological testing and ingredient profile. The packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly, but I haven't tested it over many months yet to comment on long-term durability. So far, it shows no signs of clogging or loss of pressure, which is promising. As for customer support, Monday Hair Care has a good reputation for responsiveness and addressing consumer concerns swiftly, which adds confidence when purchasing. If you want a gentler dry shampoo that does more than just mask oil, something that respects your hair's natural structure and keeps it feeling fresh, I'd say this one is worth a look. But if you want something ultra budget friendly without the added hair benefits, you might find alternatives that fit the bill better. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews. To wrap up, Monday Hair Care Original Dry Shampoo with Keratin delivers solid oil absorption, a lightweight feel, and a gentle formula suitable for all hair types. It won't replace washing, but is a reliable option when you need a quick refresh with some hair-loving benefits. Perfect for anyone looking to combine convenience with hair care. If you've used this dry shampoo, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.